enjoy it. Alright, so the challenge now, because a lot of demand we have had for burping. Command burping, forced burping, whatever you call it. People want to hear us burp. Let's see now, Vladimir's gonna have half a Pepsi without burping and just hold it and then let it all out. Pepsi is unbeatable. Pepsi is the best soda pop. Can of soda. Come on, bro. Chug. Shotgun. Mine is not coming yet. Should I force it? Should I not? The other side, mate. Hey, it came from the back. Damn. Where's your burp, bro? Yes. For some reason, people want to hear us burping. Let's see. Will he beat my burp? I think his fart definitely beat my burp, though. It's not coming yet. It's not coming. All right, I'm gonna force one. Force burp. Woo! It's a stinky on still. This one is from all the way in the intestines. We have more? No, not yet. Burps and muscles. Nice. I'm feeling one more stirring up. I'm gonna force it. The technique is